This is my EasyCAP DC60 Plus rendering settings quality tutorial. The reason why I'm making this tutorial is because a friend of mine on YouTube, Charisma, he's buying an EasyCAP and he saw my quality on my EasyCAP D660 Plus video, and he said it was amazing, so he wanted me to make a tutorial for him. You're welcome to use my settings, and if you have a different capture card, I'm pretty sure this will work. This will work for you also. Um, in the description, I'm gonna include the two software I use, which is Virtual Dub to record and Sony Vegas Pro 10 to record. I'm using a 64-bit since I have a 64-bit computer. I'm gonna include both downloads for the 64-bit and the 32-bit of Sony Vegas Pro 10. The way you find out is by going to your start button and just put CPU, enter, and it will show your stats, your specs of your computer, and it will tell you right here if you have a 64-bit or 32-bit computer. So make sure you download the right one for your computer. And basically, you're gonna get a folder which says Virtual Dub. I'm gonna show you. You don't need to move it to your program files, but I did. You can leave on your desktop. You're gonna get a folder like this. Just open it, and it's gonna have this application right here. Just double click it. It's gonna ask you to install. If you want to put in your program file like I did, just do it and right click. Um, just go, just click here and right click it and create shortcut. It's gonna create shortcut to your desktop. You say yes, and you're gonna have an icon like that, and that's for your virtual dub. Um, just when you have your EasyCAP installed, first you're gonna have to install your disk, and then you're gonna basically put your EasyCAP into your USB port. It's gonna install. Once you have it installed in your virtual dub and Sony Vegas, you're gonna have to crack it. Um, there's tutorials on YouTube on how to crack it. If you need help, just PM me. I'll make a tutorial for that also. But once you have both software installed and cracked, well, you don't need to crack this one. It's free. Just go to File, Capture AVI, and since it'll be your first time using it, um, you're gonna have to go to device and pick your device. Mine is a USB 2864 on one device, and when you record, I recommend to turn off your display. The reason why, because it will take a lot of CPU from your computer. It might, crash. It might, your video might lag when you upload it, or it might lag on your PC. I mean, you might have problem with your PC. It might crash depending how fast your computer is. But I just recommend when you do that, Um, and also, please buy splitters. Don't play off your computer. It's gonna lag. You're gonna die a lot. It's no good. Um, and also record with the the S video cable, not the composite cable. I'm sorry about that. The composite cable will look like shit. Right now I'm using the S video cable, and it looks pretty clear. It looks very clear actually. I'm gonna show you the difference between the composite cable and the S video cable. Let me just um, switch right now. When you put your S video cable, you're gonna have to go to your video and go to video source and press video S video. But I'm gonna show you the difference. Video composite. Look how blurry is the text in the video. It look like shit. So if you want the best quality, I recommend if you have an Xbox or PS3, buy an S video cable, and it's the best. That's how you get the best quality. Look how clear that is. Um, and yeah, like I said, buy splitter. You can actually, if you have an Xbox or PS3, you just put the S video into the capture card and just get a splitter for the RCA and put it to your TV. Um, and after you do that, go to your video tab and press level. You're gonna have to use these settings. I think they're the best. Um, just go to sharpness. Put that to 1. Don't put it any higher. Trust me. You're gonna fix that in Sony Vegas. Saturation, put it to 45. Your contrast to 29 and your brightness to 170. This will give you the best color, like color for your, your video. I mean, It's basically the same coloring that you see on your TV. Um, any more would look crappier. Then go to your capture tab and go to timing. Make sure none of this is checked. Just basically copy what I have. I just run through it. Make sure these two boxes are unchecked. Make sure this is pressed there. Uncheck both of these options. Make sure this is at 0, not 30, and make sure force audio clock when audio playback is enabled. Press OK. Basically, I'm gonna capture with the video on, but I recommend don't. Basically, go to File, Save. Make sure you save it to your desktop, so you can find it, on your desktop, and just rename it as anything. Go to capture your video. See how it lags on your computer. I won't recommend, using this. But right now I'm looking at my TV. It looks pretty clear. It looks nice, of course. Now just press stop. After you're done recording whatever you're recording, just exit out Virtual Dub and open Sony Vegas Pro 10. I don't know if I said this already, but please make sure you crack Sony Vegas. You're gonna have to. I think I already stated. Just check on some tutorials on YouTube, and there's a README file in the download, so you can read it to the. So once you open Sony Vegas, get your video, drop it in Sony Vegas text right down there. Um, it might take a while to load up, and as you see, there's a little audio lag. Like the video ends here and the audio ends here. Now we have to let Sony Vegas load up the video. Since there's no audio, since there was no audio on the dashboard, you won't see nothing here. But when you're playing the game, there's gonna be like lines here for the audio. To fix the audio lag, just right click your video, go to group and remove from remove from, and basically it allows you to remove your video without moving your audio. Line up your video with your audio, and then this little yellow thing up here, just slide it to the end of the video, and it's gonna line up with the beginning of the video. That will fix your audio lag. And now just right click your video, go to properties, disable resample, reduce interlace flicker, and uncheck maintain aspect ratio. Um, and you're gonna have little black lines around the edges. To fix this, you're gonna have to go to even pan crop. Just press the little box there. You're gonna have these two checked. Please uncheck them, because if you don't, when you move this line, all these lines come in. You don't want to cut off parts of your video. Basically, you want to move in this line and look on your video here. Make sure you're not cutting too much of the video, and make sure the black lines are off. Once you have it perfect, just rename this to EasyCAP or whatever you want and save it. Once you have it saved, it'll be in your presets, and just press that, and it's gonna basically crop it to whatever you saved it before. And go to your video FX and go to sharpen. Use heavy. Make your text a lot more clear. Then go to above your video. There's gonna be a little tab, Project Video Properties. Press that. Go to HD 180 -60i 29 frame per second, and go to full resolution rendering quality. Make sure that's at best. Motion blur type, make sure that's at pyramid, and the interlace method, make sure that's none. Apply it, press OK, and go to your file, go to render as, and go to on your save as template, go to Sony ABC, and go to your template down here. Make sure it's at Sony, ABC HD, and go to custom, and right here on your buy rate, change the 6 to a 2, and on your press the project tab, and make sure this is at best. Press OK, save it to your desktop, and rename it to whatever you want. Save the video. It's gonna start rendering. Just like it may take a half hour to almost an hour, depending on how long your video and how fast your computer is. Once you have the video, basically upload it, and there you go. That's my EasyCAP DC60 Plus rendering quality settings. I mean, you could check out my video before this tutorial, and you could check it out. It's very good quality. If this helped you out, please press the like button, subscribe, and if you have any problems, just leave a comment in the comment section below, or PM me. I'll be gladly to help you out. So until then, guys, later. Bye.